Derbyshire Dales Community Energy is working with a big solar co-op to deliver new solar sites in Derbyshire. Looking down on Matlock from the air, you can see a wealth of roofs that should have solar but don't. Big Solar Co-op and Derbyshire Dales Community Energy are working together to make this vision a reality. Due to the efforts of Derbyshire Dales Community Energy, we've identified more than 30 local sites which would be suitable for solar, and we're just scratching the surface. There are many, many more.
We are absolutely delighted to be teaming up with Derbyshire Dales Community Energy and Big Solar with a plan to put solar panels on our store's roof. We estimate that this will save over 10 tonnes of carbon dioxide each year, and it's a small step in our plans to mitigate the community and Twiggs' carbon footprint.
Here at John Smedley, we are very pro-renewable energy. I think what the last sort of 12 months has really taught us is that we need to become self-sufficient, and one way in doing that is to look at solar PV, create our own energy, provide it for the factory, and safeguard our future and become self-sufficient. And one of our biggest drivers under our ESG and sustainability programme is the continued reduction of carbon, something that we all talk about, something that we all hear about, and the carbon emissions we are trying to lower year on year right until we meet our target for 2030 and ultimately to hit the government target of carbon net zero if that's possible.
We're working with local volunteers to find potential solar sites, approach them and talk them through the stages in our process. And we're also looking for local people to volunteer and to invest. Our share offers have already raised over £1 million, and that's from people putting in £100 or in some cases £50 or even £100,000. Our share offer is rolling all the time, it's always available, and we issue shares every quarter. By investing in Big Solar Co-op, you're enabling new solar to be built in Derbyshire.